In this video, I'll show you how to fix a common problem with Canon printers when air gets into the ink tubes. When this happens, the printer may start printing poorly, with missing lines or faded colors. I'll demonstrate a simple ink flush procedure that helps restore proper ink flow and bring your print quality back to normal. After you start the ink flush, the device starts filling the ink tubes. When the process is complete, run the nozzle check to see the print quality. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.